Right now I want to show the compass page on the Garmin GPSMAP 62. I have it open here now, but to get to it I can hit the page button until I find the compass, and if it's not in my page selection slider I can hit menu twice and just go down the page until I find it. But as I said, it's in my slider, so let's go to the compass page. First thing I want to do, let's hit menu. First thing I've got at the top here is Sight and Go. Enter. I have the GPSMAP 62 STC here, and because it has the S in it, it means it has a Sight and Go function. So what that is if I'm standing on top of a hill and I can see something I want to walk to, I can just take my GPS, point it directly at that, and then hit enter to lock that direction. So it might be the camp, my car, whatever it might be. So I can hit lock, and then I set my course, and now I have two arrows here on my compass. One is the course that's set, so I know my exact direction back to the car, if that's what I'm walking to, as I come down the hill when I can't see it. And the other one is the actual direction I'm going. So what you want to do is make sure those two points are lined up, and that way I'm walking the exact direction I need to get back to where I want to go. If they're off, one might be heading west, pointing west, and one in this case might be pointing south-southwest. I just have to reorientate until those lines get matched up. So that's the Sight and Go function, again only found on the 62S series units. Menu, change the data fields. What that allows me to do is change these four fields and enter different value there. So if I hit on that one, you can see in these fields all the options I have to change. I can flick through these so you can have a good look. And this is the same list that's available on the other data fields. So I can change any one of these four to anything from that list. Menu, change the dashboard. The dashboard's the top third here. The bottom third is the compass and the top third's the dashboard. So let's hit menu and change the dashboard. So here's my options. I can have a recreational view, which tells me sunrise, sunset, automotive, which gives me speeds and different things, stopwatch, which I can actually use, large data fields I can change it to, so I just have one large data field rather than four small, geocaching, and I can see my elevation plot. So that I can change up the top there. Menu, I can calibrate the compass. Here what it's asked me to do is slowly turn the unit in the direction shown if I hit start. So I just follow the steps to calibrate my compass. Menu, set up heading. Here are my heading options: the display, the north reference, the pointer, compass, and then again the calibration of the compass. And then lastly, I can just hit restore defaults and it sets everything back to how it was. So that's the compass page on the Garmin GPSMAP 62 series.